Hey guys, on today's video we are going to be using the Amsoil Power Foam to clean the throttle body on the 2006 Toyota Tundra with the 4-liter V6. I don't think there's many videos out there showing the Tundra with the V6 doing this. In fact, I don't think there are any, at least not on the Tundra. Most of them that you find are on the 4.7 V8. That was a much more common engine than the 4-liter V6 that we have here. But this is what we're working with, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is remove this plastic cover. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Should be 2 acorn style nuts. And then lift up the cover and it will come off just like that. This right here is the throttle body. This is an electronically controlled throttle body, or what's called drive-by-wire. And there's a couple things that we want to be doing, we want to be mindful of when we're doing this. The easiest way to do this is to actually remove the this box here, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to release the air cleaner assembly here. Like that. You can disconnect this sensor right here. This is probably the map sensor. Okay. And then there'll be a vacuum plug, or vacuum connector, I should say. We'll just remove this like this. Okay. This actually connects over to the, I believe this is the PVC. So we're going to remove, there's a nut right here, or a bolt. And of course we've got the clamp here. Right here. Just pop off. Try to be careful with it, I don't want to break it. There we go. Alright, so it's just got a little tab right here. And there's another. This one should just be okay. So this one just pops off like that. So we've got this small little harness. I'm going to set that aside right there. And then should just be able to pull this off. So I'm just going to let that sit on there a little bit. And then I'm going to take a paper towel and start cleaning around where that butterfly sits. See all that scum coming off there? That's a lot of stuff in there. It's the bad thing about aluminum engine, there's nothing to have this magnetized light connect to. The flapper actually connects or touches the body. So we're going to let that sit there for a little while and we'll be right back. Alright, so I have got this about as clean as I can. You can barely press that open a little bit, and anywhere where the butterfly touches the throttle body itself, that's what we're aiming for. I know that there are some, I think BG makes a kit that will actually, it has a hooked line that it will fit inside of this connection here with everything bolted up. So we'll try that and see what happens. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. Make sure this is back here. Are you good? You want to? This guy's on here. Maybe sorry, some foam there. I'm not gonna do that. Make sure this. I can put on the other side of this. So definitely, we're gonna get a check engine light. That's okay. Our steam gauge will clear that for us. Or since it's really long, we'll use it up in the vehicle over time. Well, we can also back together and we'll start up. All right, so we should have one code in the computer. Let's see here. Scan. 2 codes. So we're going to clear codes, yes. All right. So initially, it's going to idle a little higher than normal. That right there is for the oil light, but you see there's no check engine light because we already cleared it. And the computer has to relearn a little bit the idle parameters. All right, so basically that is pretty much the procedure that you would use on this engine to do the Amsoil Power Foam. I know that a lot of videos you've seen, you have people spraying half of a can inside the intake as it's running. And again, you could use the PVC hose inlet, or you could get that kind of a U-shaped adapter where you would actually be able to connect all the airbox and the sensors and everything up, or else it's not going to run. But yeah, it's not really necessary to do that and to make that smoke show everybody sees. What you want to be able to do is you want to clean that butterfly and the area around in the throttle body where the butterfly touches, because any debris or buildup in that area is going to cause some idle issues. I can't really tell a difference right now from doing that. It probably wasn't enough to be a problem, but that's what we want to do, is we want to get to the maintenance before it becomes a problem. So the next video that I'm going to have coming out after this is we're going to be doing a actual engine oil flush. When I did the Amsoil a year ago, I did not have the engine flush. I'm going to go ahead and do it, and then we'll change the oil, and that will be on another video. But thank you for watching, and let me comment if you've got one of these engines in a Tundra, if you've used this, if it helped with any problems. It was very, very easy to get the buildup off of the throttle body. I was very surprised, but this stuff stinks. It smells like fish. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.